Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Wiki Script. So if you have been following this channel, you know that I usually don't show my face. I just code, or I just make some tutorials, or I just install some software and show you, but I don't show my face because I am a bit shy. But here we are, after a couple of years, we are holding this YouTube play button. So thank you. Thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. And it was only possible because of your support. So when I started this channel, I had a very simple idea, that is to help you understand coding and to install software in a way that's not intimidating. So whether it is your first time installing some Python software, or you're just installing Visual Studio Code, or you want to start with Java or PHP, or if you're just facing some issues while running an Angular code or a React project. So all I wanted to be that calm voice on your headphones saying, don't worry, I am here to help you. And most of the time I was able to help you. So your comment, your like, share and subscribe, everything just proved me that. And you know what? I truly love that. And it really encourages me to make more and more this kind of videos. So I vividly remembered recording my very first tutorial with a very cheap mic, editing late at night, wondering if any of you even watch my videos. I never showed my face, as I told you I am a bit shy, but I always wanted the content that I am making should be helpful to you guys. So I tried to make it as easy as possible. So if you have watched my videos, then you must know that I make tutorials which is as user friendly as it can be. So that's all I wanted. I wanted the content or the code, the knowledge that I am sharing, so that need to be shine. And you all proved me that it's not about fancy setup or some flashy intros or outros. It's more about the value, the content. It's more about helping one person learn something new, and then another, and then another, and just go on. So now we are a community, we are a family. So I just wanted to say to every single subscriber, every single commenter, or every single silent watcher who just came to watch my video, just voted silently and just left. So each and every one of you, I just wanted to say thank you. So this is our achievement. I may be faceless, but your support, this has always been visible. And I truly appreciate that. And you know what? This play button isn't the end. It's just the beginning. We have so much more to build, more languages, more framework, more real world projects, and more ways to make technology accessible to each and every one of you. So lastly, again from behind the screen, thank you truly for trusting me to be your coding companion, for hitting that like, dropping that encouraging comment, and just showing up every single time I upload the videos. So I really want to appreciate you guys and truly thank you from bottom of my heart. So please do keep supporting. Let's keep this learning, let's keep building, and who knows, maybe our goal button isn't that far away. So I'll meet you with you guys again in future. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So thank you and God bless you all. Bye bye.